Ready to start your own Etsy journey? Here's how I built my Etsy shop from scratch to earn $15,000 a month with digital downloads. Why digital downloads? No inventory, low overhead, instant delivery. Customers get what they want immediately. Step 1. Choosing the right digital products. What sold best for me? Printable planners, wall art, social media templates, invitations, and SVG files. Step 2. Creating high-quality digital products. I used Canva Pro for designs and offered multiple file formats. Step 3. Optimize your Etsy listings. Use SEO-friendly titles, detailed descriptions, and stunning photos to increase sales. Step 4. Marketing your Etsy shop. Use Pinterest, Etsy ads, social media, and email marketing to drive traffic. Step 5. Scaling your Etsy business. Expand your product line, reinvest profits, leverage seasonal trends, and ensure customer satisfaction. Common mistakes include underpricing, not using analytics, and ignoring mock-ups. Learn from these. Etsy is a fantastic platform for digital products. With the right strategy, you can create a profitable business.